Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by setting a reproducible environment. Create and activate a virtual environment, then pip install your framework. Flask or Django work well. Once done, scaffold the minimal app file, app, py or manage, py, and write a simple route that returns plain text. Run the built-in server to verify. This confirms the loop. Code, run, observe. Make sure to commit an initial Git repo now. It saves debugging time later and keeps your changes traceable. Next, you implement the application logic and data layer. Define clear routes and handlers, then render templates with context data. Keep presentation in templates, logic in views. Connect a database via an ORM, run migrations so the schema matches models. Once the backend responds, add static assets and client-side code, serving CSS and JS from a static folder. Make sure to test endpoints with curl or a browser. If something fails, inspect. Finally, you move to production readiness. Freeze dependencies, configure environment variables, and set up a process manager like Unicorn behind Nginx, or choose a platform that handles scaling. Once deployed, enable HTTPS, secure secret keys, and add basic monitoring and error logging. Run smoke tests to confirm routes, static files, and database connectivity. If deployment fails, one key troubleshooting tip: check logs for configuration errors and mismatched environment variables. Most problems stem from missing secrets or incorrect file paths.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.